Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS EC2 instance for RHEL 10. Okay, the latest release of the Red Hat Enterprise Linux is 10. Okay, so first connect to AWS Management Console, then click on Services, then click on Compute. See here we have the EC2, or just click on the search box and search for EC2. Click on it. See here in the dashboard I don't have any EC2 instances running, so click on instances or click on launch instance, both are same. Now click on launch instances and then provide the name. I am giving RHEL 10 EC2. Okay, copy it, then select this RHEL, then see here the latest version RHEL 10 9 also is there. Okay, I am going to select this free tier eligible, select it. See, this is the AMI ID, this is the publishing date, and this is the description. Okay, so scroll down, then select the instance type. For this demo purpose I am using free tier eligible options. See, only T2 micro and other options are available. Okay, I am going to select T2 micro. Then if you want some other, you can select from this list. Based on the options that you selected, charges will be there. Then key pair, I don't have any key pairs, so create key pair. You can create new key pair, then provide the name. I'm giving same name as like instance. Okay, then select the .rsa as the key pair type and provide key pair format .pem file. Then click on create key pair. Once we click on this create key pair, see it is downloaded. Okay, downloaded the PEM file. Now networking, I don't have any networks in this region. Okay, that is US East 1. Okay, so click on edit. I don't have VPC also, so okay, then go to here, search VPC, then right click, open link in new tab, close this one, then go to here. Then you must be in the same region like here, US East 1. Okay, so click on create VPC, then select this VPC and more. Remaining options I am going with the defaults. Then click on create VPC. See, VPC is created. Now it is creating subnets and other information, other options. Okay, now reload this one. See, we got the one VPC. In the same way for subnet also reload this one. See here we have different options. Okay, I am going with this subnet. Then auto SN public IP, by default it has selected disable. I want to enable it. So firewall, next security group or firewalls. So if you want to use the existing one, you have to select this one. I have default one, but I want to create separate SG, that is security group. Then give the name RHEL 10 SG. SG means security group, and this is the description. I am not going to change. Then SSH port number 22. Okay, remaining this inbound rules I am going with the defaults. Then network, advanced network information, I am not going to do anything. Then configure storage. See, free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose SSD or magnetic storage. So I am going to use the max of this available. If you want add additional, you have to click on add new volume. Then advanced details. I don't have any domain, so I am going to keep all as it is. Select the checkbox. Then if you want like auto recovery behavior, shutdown behavior, and you can select or you can configure as per your requirement. I am not going to configure anything at this moment. CPU meta accessible. And see here, if you want to provide any custom data or scripts, you can provide here. Okay, I don't have anything, but even if you want to upload a file, click on here and upload. Okay, review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, okay, also see here number of instances one, software, that is AMI ID, instance type T2 micro, firewall group, and storage information. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on launch instance. See, launching instance. Okay, go to details. See, it is creating these components. See, successfully initiated launch of instance. click on this instance ID. Wait a moment. See, instance state is still pending. Wait until this status to be changed to available or running. Okay, reload this one. See, still it is pending. Then see here, this is the public IPv4 and this is public IPv4 DNS and this is public IPv4 address. Okay, monitoring is disabled. Security group key name, that is key pair name. Okay, wait. See, status is running. Now click on this instance ID. See, this is the public IP and this is the public DNS name. Okay, and we go to bottom. See, subnet IP, VPC ID, instance state, and see here details. This is the AMI ID, this is the AMI name. Monitoring is disabled. Stop production disabled. If you want to enable, you can enable later also. Status, I haven't anything. Monitoring, nothing is there. Okay, security. See, this is the IAM role. I haven't configured in OneID. Launch time and etc. This is the security group name. Networking, storage. See, we have 30 GB. Tags, we have only one tag, that is name and value. Okay, now go back. Now click on this connect. See, we have three options: EC2 Instance Connect, Session Manager, SSH Client, and EC2 Serial Console. So I am going to connect by using SSH Client. So copy this command, then open terminal. If you are on Linux operating systems, if you are on Windows, open command prompt. Then go to downloads, dir, verify whether that PEM file is there or not. See, we have the RHEL 10 EC2 PEM file. So because for this SSH command we have to access that PEM file. Paste it, hit enter, type S for confirmation. See, we have successfully connected. Also see here it is asking to register. Okay, now verify the version that we have configured more /etc os-release. See, we have connected to RHEL 10.0. Okay, now the first step after connecting to RHEL 10 is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update control L && sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, installation upgradation is completed. See, this is not registered, so use this subscription manager command and register. Now go back to this instance, go to instance ID. If you want to restart, select this reboot instance. If you want to terminate, that is permanent delete, you can terminate. If you want to stop the instance temporarily, you can stop, because if you are not using, I strongly recommend to terminate. But if you want to stop temporarily, you have to select this stop. Okay, so charges are based on the usage and actions. Suppose if you want to change the settings like any one of this edit user data or auto recover behavior, stop behavior protection and other information, you have to select the options and you have to enable or disable. Okay, and networking, if you want to connect like a AWS RDS database, you have to click on here and see here manage IP addresses, elastic IP address. Okay, security groups. See here we have the change the security groups or modify IAM role, and we have different options. Suppose if you want to stop, you have to click on stop instance. If you want to terminate, you have to click on here, then you have to click on terminate. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create or set up AWS EC2 instance for RHEL 10. Then we have connected from the SSH client. Okay, for more AWS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.